I had one hit it while I was bringing it up. Look at there. Hello everybody, it's a good friend Andrew here. Come out here to the marsh. Haven't been out in a while, so I want to give it a try. It's been raining and it was kind of rough getting out here. The marsh is flooded big time, so these reds are backed up in here. There's a couple of places I want to go that I catch trout in, and if that water's flowing through there, I can catch trout. Guarantee you. I just want to see if I can spot a redfish. I thought I saw one over there, and I know I did. It was his tail or his back sticking up just right over there. I heard him hit bait, and I just saw his tail come up here a second ago. I'd like to get a shot at that guy. Oh, is that him? I bet it is. Just gonna wait this guy out. The marsh is flooded, so these reds will be back up, way back up into places like this. Little flooded grass areas. Oh well, it's all right. I'll let that one go. I don't have the patience. I paddled out to this gut I like to fish, and as soon as I got there, the storm right here started developing. I don't know, it doesn't seem to be getting closer, but I'm keeping an eye out on it. What I've decided to do is come closer to my truck, set up a drift going across this channel, have a clouser tied on, and I had one take it, but he ran toward me. I couldn't set the hook on it. So, but there's hungry fish in here. So this might be all I do today, right here, because I don't want to get too far away from my truck with these storms. And just to be able to come out here, man, that's just all I want, you know. I mean, even if I don't catch anything, it's okay. Hear that dude? Doesn't seem to be getting close to me, or coming towards me. If I see that it is, I'm going back to my truck. It might be about a 10-minute paddle. So I'm keeping a good eye on that dude. All right, let's take a drift here. See if I can catch something. Here we go. Got me a trout. Look at there. Little fella. Little fella. Beautiful though. Good old clouser, man. It's good for like school size speckled trout, even slot redfish. Caught some nice slots on that. Dang, had a hit, man. Let's see what I'm doing right there. I've got my stripping basket here, and it helps a lot. Okay, and I'm just putting my rod up underneath my arm and just dripping it in kind of hand over hand here. One false cast, all I need. You don't need to do any casting contests out here. It's usually better to try not to cast too far out. You know, the less line that you have, the easier it is to manage in this kayak. Hot dog, I had a hit. Man, there's fish along here. Just had another one. This bank right here holds speckled trout. Most of the time I can catch at least some small ones here. But I've caught quite a few nice ones. Not really any big ones right here, but keepers, you know, to take home and eat. And I've also caught some reds here too. I've seen a lot of them. I hadn't fished over here a whole lot sight casting for reds, but I just I saw some one day up against that other shoreline, and I never could. It was so dang windy, and I was having to cast into the wind. Okay, got one. Little guy. Bet all of these are little freaking trout. Yep. Yeah, beautiful. Boy, beautiful fish. Ah, I had one hit it while I was bringing it up. Look at there. Dang, he might be a keeper. I bet he might be. Let's see this guy here. Come on, buddy. Come on in here. Come inside my boat. Yeah, he's right at 15. We're not gonna keep him. He's got to be a little bit past 15 for me. I don't know if I want to keep any. I've got fish in the freezer. That one hit right when I was bringing it up, man. Bring my fly up out of the water. I've had that happen a lot too. Now see, when you feel one hit, you really got to strip, man. Keep that rod under your arm and strip, overhand strip till you feel the weight of him. Because see, what's going on is he might not be pulling it away from you quite good, but you're drifting into him at the same time. See, it's not friendly to getting a good tight set on them. Uh-oh, got one now. Yeah. Listen, anything, I'm gonna tell y'all, this is something I learned when I started fly fishing. Is anything, you can catch anything on a regular, with a fly rod that you can with conventional gear. Yep, not quite big enough. He's just under 15. Oh, looks like that rain's staying away from me. Okay, see, here's how you make a cast. All right. Do one water haul and then let it go. Look at that. You don't want to wear yourself out. You can wear yourself out casting out here. And listen, you don't want to do that. Especially when you're blind casting, drifting in this boat. You don't have to see just one water haul it. There it goes right there. You can get you plenty far enough cast with that. See, water hauling is called whenever your fly is in the water, your line is in the water, and then you bring it back to back cast, and what it does, it loads your rod tip up. See? Had one. There he is. Another 15 incher. Put on one of those dragon tail flies. Or no, I might try an EP fiber fly. Something a little bit bigger. If there's any bigger fish in here, I don't know. You don't want to take this rod out from underneath your arm until you definitely feel the weight of that fish and you're solidly hooked up. See, that's an example right there, because you noticed I had one, he let go, and I just kept stripping, and then I caught that one, and that happens a lot. And I don't think it's the same fish. I think it's a school. One grabs it and lets go, and but these trout are all along this shoreline right here. You see, the good thing about drifting in a kayak like this, it's quiet. You can drift right on top of them. Oh shoot, that's scary right there. I might take it on in. Dude, that was freaking close. Take it on in. I'm not taking a chance with this stuff. Take it on in, man. The fish will always be here. I don't know, man. I caught 5 fish, 6 fish, I don't know. Small ones. But hey, I got out